This is Like Bike, the answer to make more people ride a bike, enjoy the outdoors, and just live life. Like Bike is not an ordinary bike. It's an electric bike with a powerful motor. Don't want to pedal? Simply press the throttle and go full electric. You can ride 20 miles per hour with no effort, so you can focus on having fun. Like Bike is for more than just fun rides, though. It is affordable and designed for any rider and any occasion. It folds in 3 easy steps. It is designed to make transportation easy, convenient, and fun for you and your friends. Suspension for uneven roads, plus all-terrain tires and the powerful motor are perfect for riding anywhere. Its awesome design hides the battery inside the frame. Like Bike has the best features and the coolest design to put a smile on your face. It is made of the highest quality components and comes in 3 colors. Its built-in charger means you can charge your devices anywhere, even in the wild. You can ride much longer with Like Bike than an ordinary bike. But if you want to exercise, select the level of pedal assist on the computer. More people should have fun and experience the happiness with cycling. Whether you want to explore the wild or just cruise to work, Like Bike is perfect for you and your friends.
This is the Taga 2.0, the most comfortable, safe, easy to ride, practical, and just all-around coolest family bike you could possibly imagine. The Taga 2 has everything our customers wanted and much more. Safety first. Taga has 3 wheels, so it's inherently stable. The cargo box materials are super strong plastics with a metal frame inside that makes the seating area durable and resistant to impact. The child seats themselves have endless features and options. Taga can take 1 or 2 kids, facing forwards, backwards, or facing each other for a boatload of laughs. To keep it versatile, in seconds, Taga 2 turns from a family bike into a lockable cargo bike with extra load space on top. We use disc brakes and a Shimano gear, and you can always easily turn it into an electric bike for effortless long-distance rides. Now for the fun part. Apart from the wind in their hair, we wanted the kids to have a truly enjoyable adventure on our bikes. So we added the accessory bar, to which you can attach a variety of fun add-ons. Yes, there's also a water gun. And when it rains, or if the kids just want some privacy, there's the Royal Canopy. Let's see, what else? Nope, it can't fly. Yet. But it can all be taken apart to fit in your car trunk. Oh, and the seats come in a variety of colors. Because, you know, the personal touch transforms our own ultimate bike into your own ultimate bike.
This is the AM1. It's a bike with a motor. It looks, weighs and costs pretty much the same as a regular push bike, except it uses an electric motor to assist with pedaling, making moving through cities easier, safer and way more fun. The average daily trip is less than 20 miles, so we built a 20-mile e-bike. We use a compact battery and a lightweight motor to create an e-bike that weighs just 13.5 kilos. It doubles your power with only a negligible increase in weight over a regular push bike.
You think the battery pack is just going to make it super heavy, but you can pick it up with just like one hand.
It looks like a normal bike, not bulky or anything.
So here's how it works. Clip the battery in, turn it on and ride. Just like a bike. If you want to go faster, turn it up. If you want more of a challenge, turn it off. And the AM1 rides like a normal single-speed bike. When you arrive, simply take the battery with you and plug it in like a phone to recharge it. And if you need more range, just take another battery with you and add another 20 miles. For the first time ever, you can buy an electric bike at the price of a regular city bike. Each AM1 is flat packed at the factory and reassembled by you. And because 90% of the bike parts are standard, this allows for unlimited customization using readily available parts found in your local bike store.
The AM1 is the first affordable lightweight electric bike.
God.
Join us and be the first to own one.
Introducing Helix. Helix is a revolutionary new folding bike. It has 24-inch wheels, a one-piece titanium frame, and a patent-pending locking system that is free of hinges and clamps. Helix can go anywhere. Ride it to work, put it in the trunk of your car for your next road trip, take it on your next vacation. We set out to design a modern folding bike that didn't compromise rideability for size. Using patent-pending helical hinges, we were able to put the wheels beside the frame and between the crank arms. Helix was created using modern computer-aided design and manufacturing processes. It uses the latest bicycle technologies. Helix improves on decades-old folding bike designs in every possible way. It rides better, folds smaller, and is safer and easier to use. We're a group of designers, engineers, and manufacturing experts. We're also passionate cyclists. Our goal is to make the best folding bike in the world. We will oversee the entire manufacturing process right here at home. We're ready and excited to go. With your help, we can make it happen.
Imagine adding an electric wheel to your bike. Travel 20 to 50 miles on a single charge. Pedal when you want, sit back when you don't. Hills, no sweat.
It's 500 watts of power available at the press of a lever. Easy to install and intuitive to operate. Designed in Cambridge, Massachusetts and built in New England.
2 years ago I was watching Tron. Thinking about all that empty space inside the orbital wheel really kept me up at night. Why don't we put a motor? Why don't we put a battery in that space? I managed to make a mini prototype, but I basically have 2 left thumbs and a limited knowledge of engineering.
18 months ago, I was working as a propulsion development engineer at SpaceX when I met Mike and saw the geo-orbital wheel prototype. I loved the concept and wanted to help make it a reality. Since then, we've created 5 generations of prototypes, given hundreds of test rides and logged thousands of miles. From all that user feedback, we've integrated all sorts of features into the wheel. Installation takes only 60 seconds and requires no tools. The battery is easily removable. Even the tires are made of high-density foam. They ride just like a normal tire, but they'll never go flat. The motor will take you 0 to 20 miles an hour in 6 seconds. The feature set goes on, and we've only just got rolling.
For many years, I worked, driven, and rode electric vehicles, first at Ford and then for a bike store in Boulder. I first saw the geo-orbital wheel, I was hooked. We've got this advanced design, sleek aluminium frame, and simple operation. You just pop on the wheel, clip on the throttle, and go. It's bloody brilliant.
Wouldn't it be great if you could use your bike whenever you wanted to, without sweating? All the engineering is done. We got a great product, we got a great team, but we need your help. We really want to keep these built in the United States, but we need to order a batch large enough to keep the cost down. Please support our project in any way that you can.